back to my channel. Today's video is another cleaning motivation video, and if you're new around here, hello, my name is Michelle. I live in Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our three gorgeous children, Isabel, Olivia and William. And on my channel you'll see lots of cleaning and organisation, and today I'm just taking you with me while I'm just checking off my to-do list, and I hope it gives you all the motivation that you need. If you are new around here, I would love for you to click that subscribe button, and if you enjoy this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and watch it all the way to the end. It really does help my channel out if you watch the whole video, and let's get cleaning.
When everything is on, we light a candle. We're breathing really slow with AEST. We're waiting for the dawn with empty bottles. You turn around when I wanna.
So I just pointed out to you here how Chris likes to pull all the sheets apart. I'm one of those people that can get into bed and then just pull the sheets back and it really isn't all pulled apart, but Chris is the total opposite. I'd love for you to comment below, are you like me or are you like Chris? And I'd also love to know, do you like voiceovers or do you prefer just listening to the music? I wasn't going to do a voiceover today, but I decided I would still do one. So comment below, let me know, that would really help me out.
Remember, my kiss will not be hanging forever. Craving for your love since last November, but you turn around when I wanna talk. Oh, when you need me, time has changed. Maybe I'm the one being silent when you just wanna talk. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Oh, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you. We'll hit you like a domino. You once told me you had fallen in love. In love. We were meant to be against all odds. All odds. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Whoa, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you. We'll hit you like a domino. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Whoa, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you. We'll hit you like a domino. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Oh, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you. We'll hit you like a domino. You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the
bathroom was the first room that we did when we built our house, and I was going for a more glitzy glam look, but as you can tell, it doesn't really go with the rest of my theme. It is a similar color palette because I like to use white, grey, black, timber, and blues. Obviously, I've got pink in this room because it will eventually be the girls' bathroom. But if you have any tips on how to make this more the rest of my style, I do have a white full-length mirror that I am popping in here. I used to have timber shelves, but it didn't really suit the room. But if you know any ways to tweak it to make it kind of suit the rest of the house, then comment below, let me know, because I really am kind of struggling with it at the moment, but that would really help me out.
It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a You said I was a piece of art. You decided to paint my heart, but you colored it gray, then you put it in a frame, hung it beside other house gray as mine. Oh, I should have known.
We also have a lot of like scale build up in this bathroom, and I think the floor tiles are quite porous, so they stain like a white mark. Chris thinks he's got the solution to fix it, so hopefully we will be able to do that soon and remove all the scale, but oh my goodness, it just makes it look really dirty. I don't know if the camera is really picking it up, but in real life it looks quite grotty, and it doesn't matter how many times I clean it. If you have really porous tiles, how do you keep them clean and not look so cloudy and calcified? Should've let you go, but I wanted to fall in love so bad. Like in the movies or the dreams. You're like in the movies or the dreams.
Finally stop running now. With you I found my peace somehow.
Just thought I'd let you know a funny story. I did share this with you on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, head on over there after you've watched this video and check it out. But I was sharing with everyone, I had a bit of a Bridget Jones moment with these tights. The footage stopped, and let's just say it was a definite Bridget Jones moment. So there was a lot of footage that had to kind of be edited, especially in this toilet room, in the powder room. Yes, so that is why it's a little bit choppy, because I don't think everyone really wanted to see my bum. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know down below if you do prefer voiceovers or just listening to some music. I know I'm a bit of both. Sometimes I just like to pop on a video and just listen to the music as I'm cleaning. But yes, I would love for you to let me know.
I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. 'Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never felt the love like this. I never felt like this before. Like this before. Felt the love like this.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't clicked that subscribe button, please do so, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.